Welcome back to my channel. This is the parts area of distribution center, I guess, at Lucid, about 10 miles away from the main assembly plant in Casa Grande. Now that is not in Casa Grande, but it's in a kind of a no man's land just north of us, about 3 miles north of Arizona City. From what I heard, the newspaper says that they're going to consolidate at the main assembly plant, and they are going to be bringing everything over to Casa Grande. Last Wednesday they had a big open house. The governor of Arizona was there, among other people. Peter Rawlinson was there talking about the forward look into Lucid Motors, and the main topic, I'm sure, was about the Gravity. And the Gravity is their new SUV that's going to be starting production in late spring. So it'll be a 2025 model. It'll have EPA range of 440 miles, it says, or above. And because of the efficiency, they're going to have a smaller battery pack. But I can't imagine it being any smaller than 100 kilowatt hours. Because, you know, we have a 7-passenger vehicle. And that means that thing's going to be weighing 5,000 pounds or plus, maybe 6,000 pounds. It'll be big, but it's got a drag coefficient of 0.24, which is really good. And 440 miles for an SUV, that is really, really good range. Hopefully the price will be under the $80,000. And kind of go over the prices. I don't know if you know this or not, but the 2023, they still have some left, all-wheel drive. Now, I don't know if they have any around here, but they're $74,900. That's after their $7,500 Air credit. But their Air Pure, which has about a 414 mile range, they start off for a rear-wheel drive is $77,400. So the prices have really come down. The Air Touring, $85,900. They get kind of pricey. The Grand Air Touring, that's a 2023, is $115,600. Wow. So they've come down to, they got underneath with the Air Pure rear-wheel drive under the $80,000 mark, so they can get that $7,500 tax rebate. Anyway, we're looking at pictures that I've shot in December 31st of last year, and these show the huge movement of cars that I think hundreds of cars have been moved or sold, or I'm not sure where they went, maybe to dealers. Excuse me, but they have had a lot of movement of cars. Hundreds of cars have left the facility. And the nice thing about it is those white cars kind of give me a better idea as I shoot stills. I'm going to start shooting stills so I can see what's going on, and you can see what's going on in the movement of their cars. Looks like things are looking up for Lucid. I think their stock price, as I say, went up 18% today at $313.5 a share the last time I looked. Market cap $7.18 billion. Seems like things are looking up for Lucid. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. We'll keep you informed the best I can until April. That's when we head back to North Dakota and do my off-grid solar. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.